I don't know if I would divide it into rare autism and common autism. I think you're likely to see sporadic autism and familial autism. I'm not aware of a common form of autism. There are common alleles in the genome which probably play some role in the risk, but the disorder itself is very heterogeneous. And in fact, it's very likely that autism is really a very broad category of disorders, plural, meaning that there are lots of different genetic disorders that in some manifestations have social impairment, have difficulties with social interaction, repetitive interests and behaviors, and also cognitive impairments that look like what we define as autism. But at their root sort of etiology, they have a very diverse set of causes.